Hola chicos, vamos a hablar sobre gustar más infinitivo or gustar with an infinitive, which is what you use to talk about things you like to do. So this is still on the theme of activities, different actions that people like to do. Okay, moving on. So in Spanish, you use gustar to express things you like and don't like. This is pretty well established. Examples, there's a bunch of different things you can do with this, but some examples. Me gustan los macarrones con queso. I like mac and cheese. Te gusta jugar deportes? Do you like to play sports? No les gusta la comida japonesa? They don't like Japanese food. So you kind of see a trend there that you have a form of gustar, and in front of that you have a pronoun. So when you use gustar to talk about activities that you like or don't like, you always use the conjugation gusta. You always use gusta, not gustan, not anything else. And an infinitive. Remember, an infinitive is a name for an unconjugated verb, so it ends in ar or er or ir, A-R-E-R or I-R. So examples, me gusta comer, te gusta cocinar, I like to eat, you like to cook. Sounds like we got a good team going. You cook, I eat. Anyway, notice that we use our pronoun, then we use gusta. No other form of gustar is acceptable here. And then we use our verb that's not conjugated. So I like to eat, you like to cook. We didn't have to do anything with our second verb. One unusual thing about gustar is use a pronoun before the verb, so like we just talked about, to express who is liking something. So instead of saying, for example, when you say I eat, you just say como. You put the verb in the yo form. With gustar, we have to either use gusta, gustan, and we put a pronoun in front, and the pronoun is what says who is liking stuff. So we can use me, te, le, nos, or les, so those are the 5 things that you need to memorize. Os is a possibility. However, it's only used in Spain. It's what you use for the vosotros form. So me, te, le, nos, and les are the ones that you need to have memorized for our purposes. So me gusta bailar, te gusta bailar, a Juan le gusta bailar, nos gusta bailar, a los estudiantes les gusta bailar, etc. So you see that you just have a pronoun in front of it, and then you have gusta, no other form of gustar, and then you have bailar. So notice all these sentences look exactly the same in structure. We have gusta, bailar in all of them. What's different is the pronoun at the front. The things in parentheses, like a Juan or a los estudiantes, those things are in parentheses because it's grammatically correct to just say le gusta or to just say les gusta. But if you want to be specific about who the he or she or them is that you're talking about, then you can mention a name. And notice that when you mention a name, you have to have a in the front, right? So structurally, these are all the same. They all have gusta bailar, but the pronoun is what tells us who likes to dance. So me gusta bailar, I like to dance. Te gusta bailar, you like to dance. A Juan le gusta bailar, Juan likes to dance. Nos gusta bailar, we like to dance. A los estudiantes les gusta bailar, the students like to dance. So basically, we all like to dance. Okay. So, ¿qué te gusta hacer? If I ask you that question, I'm obviously asking what do you like to do? And so you're going to use any verb, any activity that you enjoy doing. So you would respond with me gusta, and then you can say hablar por teléfono, talk on the phone, ver la televisión, to watch TV, cazar, to hunt, escuchar música, listen to music, andar en patineta, to go skateboarding, etc. You can put in any verb here. So that's how you use gustar with an infinitive. Pretty straightforward. Remember, if you're using an infinitive, if you're using a verb, you have to use gusta, not gustan, not any other form. Okay? Come to class if you have any further questions on this, and we will be doing lots of practice. Adios.